Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho CRM to integrate with Shopify leads, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings section. In the settings panel, locate and select Marketplace. From the Marketplace options, choose All Apps. In the search bar, type Shopify and hit enter. Find the Shopify app in the search results and click on it. On the Shopify app page, click the Install button. You will be prompted to grant necessary permissions. Review the permissions and click Accept to continue. Next, enter your Shopify store URL in the required field. Click Authenticate to initiate the connection with Shopify. You will be redirected to Shopify for authentication. Log into your Shopify account if prompted. Once logged in, you will see a confirmation screen. Click Install App to authorize Zoho CRM. Return to your Zoho CRM dashboard to check the integration status. To ensure everything is set up correctly, navigate to Leads in Zoho CRM. You should see a section indicating the Shopify integration. Now create a test lead in your Shopify store to verify the connection. Check back in Zoho CRM to confirm the lead has been synced. Your Zoho CRM is now successfully integrated with Shopify for leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.